We're in an exciting morning. We're going to be making eggs Florentine. This is Lindsay's recipe, really. She's the expert at this. We're gonna try the cream spinach with a Green Giant. I already put it in the microwave and paper plates so that I don't have to do the dishes on it. Oh, look, it looks yummo.
Wow.
Yeah, looks yummo. And then we'll just add it to the eggs. And it looks very, very good. We've got that. We have approximately 4 eggs.
Because we're making about 2 servings of this.
Yeah, 2 servings of it. Now the most important thing about when you do scrambled eggs is to get the air into them. The more air that you do when you whip them, the better they are. Of course, we're going to get this. And some of you might have an immersion. You know, one of the blender immersions. Might use that. So here it is. We're going to just whip it. And make sure that we get lots of air. The more that you whip it, the more air that you get into it, the more tender the egg will be.
Can you show us a whip, Nana? How you whip?
Oh, we whip?
No, we whip.
Oh, the whip. Oh, gotcha, gotcha. That is funny. Okay, so we're doing them. Now we're using a non-stick pan right here. And what we'll do with that is we'll add a little bit of, just a little bit of cooking spray because we don't want it to stick. And it's always good to use just a little bit. So we want the eggs to stick, and we'll just go like that very quickly. It's all right if it gets on the stovetop because we clean as we go, so that's no problem. So we're just whipping them up, getting that in there.
Whipping them up.
Lindsay, should we put a little salt and pepper in?
I think so.
All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, let's rock the shake a night. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, we got the salt and pepper. We like to put our things away, so it makes our cleanup easy. We have our toaster ready, and we only use our Kerrygold naturally soft or pure Irish butter. That's the best. It's made from grass-fed cows, so that's why it's so good.
Why are we using the toaster?
Well, because we're going to have some country-style bread with it. It came from the Public Bakery. Let's go over and see where it is. It's in the pantry. Here's the pantry.
Can we expect a pantry tour coming up?
Oh, sure. This is White Mountain bread, made from scratch. They're daily. Oh, it's absolutely yummo delicious. Oh, you'll love this bread. Anyway, okay, Lindsay, are we ready to do the eggs now?
I think so.
All right, let's make sure we get the last whip in there to get those eggs going. Ready?
Gotta whip good.
Gotta whip it. It'd be nice if we turn the
Oh, that's a good tip.
turn the stove on. Okay. So the most important thing is when the pan should be warm, and as soon as the pan is warm, we're just going to use a little whip thing and whip the eggs. And then we'll add the spinach, and that makes it the Florentine.
Yep.
And spinach and eggs, yummy. And you know the spinach is good. It's dark green, filled with iron and different vitamins, and your eggs have a lot of protein in it. So you're getting what you need. And then you have your carb, which is your White Mountain bread. So it's just really gonna be a delicious breakfast. It's healthy, very healthy. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're trying to eat healthy, but good food, very good food. Organic eggs, you can find them the best. So here we go. Turn the heat up just a tad. Now we're gonna whip them. Keep whipping. As you can see, it's on the rim. You see the color of them? See how they're going? They're starting to set a little bit. You can wait a few minutes and you can do it. Okay, we'll give it a few minutes. What we'll do that is we'll go and get the spinach ready. And we can put as much or as little as we want in our serving. And we'll have a delicious breakfast. Let me taste it.
Okay, can we have an update on your cooking?
Okay, as you can see, the eggs are cooking very nicely. And
They look really good in person.
and we're gonna add the spinach now. It's already cooked. Get some
Yes.
flavor.
And we also heated our spinach again because it wasn't as warm as we wanted it to be.
Yeah, so sometimes you have fresh spinach. We didn't have any fresh.
And you should put your spinach in when?
When the eggs are halfway set.
Halfway set, so then the spinach cooks with them.
Yes, even though it's cooked already. Whoops, the toast is up. Remember the mountain bread, and we use the Kerrygold butter because it's the best. And if once you have this butter, no other butter will taste good to you. Believe you me.
And this is not sponsored, right, Nana?
No, it's not sponsored.
You just
I wouldn't mind being sponsored,
Yeah.
but this is not sponsored.
If they
so
want to sponsor us, that's okay, but they aren't.
They aren't, no. But it's really good butter. As we can see, look how nice. This is the one that is the naturally softer. You can get it in the sticks too. You can get it in individual sticks if you like. And it's the best. As you can see, we're doing it. Our eggs Florentine. Doesn't look yummy. The yellow and the green, very springy. I'm going to give Lindsay some. Looks so good. All right. That's 4 eggs. It's a serving for each of us. Give myself some. Oh, look at that. Mine has the Stone Mountain bread. Very yummy. Okay, and I have some cantaloupe, and cantaloupe would go along. It would make a lovely present. Okay, let's give it a taste test. It is so delicious. You must try this. Not only is it healthy, but it's so yummo. So good. I love it.
How many stars out of 10?
Oh, I give it 11.
Oh, well, 11 stars out of
Wow,
10. Let's
little
try the
piece of-
bread.
It's so good. Ooh, yummo. Yum, yum. I love it. See, we have this, and Lindsay's going to do the test.
Okay, taste
Here we
test.
go, the taste test. There she goes. Dives in.
It's actually really good.
Oh, that's good, Lindsay. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Very creamy.
Okay, let's try a little bit of that Stone Mountain bread and the Kerrygold butter.
I like it. It's
Oh,
really
that-
good breakfast.
Well, that's good. Well, everybody, that was our eggs Florentine, and I think that if you try this recipe, you'll really enjoy it, and you'll be eating healthy in addition to all that. Oh, there she goes. She's diving in again. She loves that. Loves it, loves it. Our delicious Florentine breakfast, and with it, I'm enjoying my free venti latte. Oh, it's so yummy with my sugar-free vanilla syrup. Anyway, I wanted to say I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll subscribe, give it a thumbs up to our my station. And the other thing I wanted to say, just remember, I wish you peace in your heart, control in your life, and remember that you are loved. I gotta look good for this. How they stage it.
Okay, we gotta stage
They
this.
stage it all with this.
Okay.
Do it as they do it. They stage it.
Nana, this is just a vlog. This isn't a cooking show.
No, but vlogs should be good. Everything should be just perfect.
Are you saying my vlogs aren't high quality?
No, they are. Yours were excellent.
Okay, thanks.